In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram Lite account. To start, open your Instagram Lite application. After opening, you have to tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you have to tap this three-line dot, or you have to tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then you will get this pop-up window. In the pop-up window, you have to select the very first one, settings. Then you will get this account setup option. If you can't find out this account setup feature at the top of the list, all you have to do, you have to update your Instagram Lite application. So you have to go to Play Store or App Store. Then you have to type and search Instagram. Then you can see there is a update button. So you can tap that update button. Then this application will be up to date. After updating, you have to restart this application. Then this account setup option will be here. If you got this account setup feature, just tap on that account setup. Then you will get another pop-up window like this. In this pop-up window, you have to select personal details under account settings. Just tap personal details. After that, you'll see the last option, account ownership and control. Then see the second option, deactivation or deletion. Here, since you are going to deactivate our Instagram Lite account, just select the second option, Instagram. Then you can see the default selection is deactivate. So you don't need to select. To go forward, just tap continue at the bottom. Now they ask to re-enter your password. Like this, you have to retype your password to verify yourself. Then you have to select a reason. Here you can select any reason from the list. But if you want to get the same interface for the next window, you can select my reason too. Here I will select the last reason, something else. If you want, you can select anything else. Select any reason somehow, otherwise they don't allow you to go forward. Then tap continue. Now you have to confirm your deactivation request. So deactivation is temporary. You can reactivate your account, login back to it. So to temporarily take a break from Instagram, just tap deactivate account button. Then it will be immediately deactivate your account. But instead of deactivating your account, if you want to permanently delete it, you can click this end screen video and come on over. After deactivating, you will get this kind of deactivation message. Your account is now deactivated. As well as you will be logged out from your Instagram Lite application. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later.